me, Lydia. Do you want to come and see our house? Look over here. This is a brand new door. Do you like it? So sweet. Now, do you guys want to come and see our back? It's amazing.
You're weird, Lydia.
We found a bird nest back there.
Just so you guys know, I'm recording on an iPad.
This
And
is where we found a worm in here. It's the greatest memory. And we have this. Come on. I'll show you guys.
yep, look, you guys. Werewolf mask.
And do not let them see the best part ever.
Stop, Lydia.
3, 2, 1. Here's our playground. Ain't it amazing, guys?
Trash all over the place, you guys. But look at it.
It looks so fun to play on. See?
And I'll show you guys the eggs we found
Guys, show
behind
them
our
the
tree.
bird.
Right here.
Show them the bird.
See, you guys?
That's the bird that we told you about.
See, guys? 2 bird eggs. You can already see one's hatched.